LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. After launching the program, a window appears where you need to enter a login and a password. In this case, it will be the word human. Then we click on the login button, and we log into our application. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a simple IT help desk. To do this, we go to Project. We click on Project. Now on the left side, we select Projects. We click the plus button and enter the name of our project. In this case, IT help desk. What is very important here, we have to make it clear that we simply want help to be available with this project. Now, pressing the plus button, we select the topics that will be available to the user if they encounter a problem. Let's say we're going to support on Word, PDF, and Paint. Here we choose the person responsible on the front line. Let's say it's us. Here is an auxiliary question. For example, the version of Word. And we save. Similarly, we do it in the other two cases. PDF. And Paint. We leave the other properties as default. Here you can select the person who is responsible for the project, who is a member of the project, who can edit these queries. This is enough for us for now. And as we can see, the IT help desk has been created. Now people who need help will enter the project. They can go to the Help tab. And here, by selecting IT help desk, we have these three topics. Someone, for example, will say they have problems with a PDF, and they will say this is a critical problem. They can't open the PDF. And version. Here we put a request that they have to give the version of whatever version they have of the PDF. Here they can still assign people who have a similar problem in their team, for example. Let's say 5 people can't open this PDF, then there is no need to issue 5 queries. What attachment can be added here, and we save. Let's say someone else has a problem with Paint. That it doesn't work. Let's give a version, I save, and it works fine. And now, after all this, we go to Support. As we can see, I have 2 inquiries here. Well, and this now you have to solve it. In this case, we will say that it is to close and reopen Paint. We save. Here, let's say it's the same thing, only that they need to reset the whole computer. We save. And now the person who issued this problem is informed, of course. And we just get a system that is equipped with artificial intelligence. Now, if the next person comes along, they will have a similar problem, for example, PDF. The words will be highlighted. As you see, the PDF thing will appear here. They press and check. Okay, that suits me. And in this case, this person will no longer issue a new ticket, a new task, a problem. And so a great deal of time can be saved.